Today, I'll walk you through how to set up your Gamification Notion template, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create an engaging workspace so you can enhance your productivity and make your tasks more enjoyable. To start, open your Notion page. This is your blank canvas where all the magic will happen. If you're unsure where to find it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just navigate to your Notion workspace and you'll be good to go. Next, click on the Add a New Page button. This is usually located in the sidebar on the left. Think of this step as opening a new document in a word processor. It's where you'll begin to build your gamified experience. Once you have your new page open, click on Templates. This option allows you to explore various pre-designed layouts that can save you time and effort. It's like browsing a bookstore for the perfect novel to dive into. Now let's head to the Notion Marketplace. Click on Templates again, but this time you'll be directed to a broader selection of templates available for use. This is akin to entering a library filled with resources that can help you in your journey. In the search bar, type Gamification. This will filter the templates specifically designed to incorporate game-like elements into your tasks. It's like searching for a specific genre in a bookstore. You want to find the right fit for your needs. After that, click on Load More to see additional templates. This step is crucial as it expands your options, giving you a wider variety to choose from. Think of it as browsing through the aisles of a store to find the perfect item. Now click on your desired template and then click the plus add button. This action will integrate the template into your workspace, making it ready for customization. It's similar to adding a new app to your phone. You're bringing in a tool that will enhance your experience. Once added, the template will appear on the left panel of your Notion workspace. Open it up and feel free to modify it to tailor-fit your needs. This is where you can truly personalize your gamification experience, making it unique to your workflow. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.